This is how I'm gonna do it. As you can see, what I'm gonna have to do is take this, unscrew everything, take the tire off. I mean the front wheel hub motor, whatever you could call it. Damn, there's a lot of hair in there. I just noticed that. Put on here to here without like, cause this wires, it's in there, so it's not easy to like disconnect. Cause I don't want to cut the wire off, so I have to put it close to here, let it hold on there, mount right here. So right now I'm letting the sun cool down, so should be some shade. I wish it just told what size it was, cause it's I don't know what size what hex key size it is, cause I'm looking at where it's labeled. I don't know what size it is, but you should be using something like this. And I'm gonna be unscrewing this with one hand while holding the camera. So I want to show you the screw. Like that. Oh, I like how it's magnetic. This thing is magnetic. So make sure you have one like this that is magnetic. So I'm not sure about these black ones. So these black one I have right now, it's not magnetic. So it should be stick on like that. See, get something like this, a hex key. Cause this is the one I have, the cheap kind. This is the cheap one. So I'm gonna be doing the rest. So I'm gonna cut the video. Alright, I unscrewed the rest of the X key, whatever, the lead, whatever, the plastic that was covering the nuts. Alright, I'm just gonna make a short video of this because I'm not gonna memorize. Nah, forget that. I'm just not gonna make a short video. You just gotta remember how to put it. I should remember. I should remember. So let me see. Got that out. Okay. I'm gonna just start the other side. So it's gonna be on like right here. So should be able to take it off since it's pretty weared out. Woo! That shit was hard. Finally got it out. Let's see if this is actual the same. Yeah, it looks the same to me. So, whew. ready for this. It's pretty new, but so I'm really tired. So I'm gonna put the tire back on.